Join me, my friends, in giving you some of the essential skills for the project management. Project management is one of the important aspect, right? When it comes to professional success, the crucial skill which we need is how do we manage projects? How can I deliver outstanding results within the time, with the best of quality, and within the cost? It helps in each and every aspect of our life. Even if we manage our life, manage our family, or manage our projects professionally, project management is one of the important skill. Those who are into project management stream, they must be facing a lot of issues related to deadlines, the quality, the constraints on project. But how do we manage? Because everything is management. So these challenges, these constraints will come and hit you all the time when we manage projects. It hits us when we manage our life. How do we overcome? That is the skill which project management, right? So reality, many projects fail, and you must be seeing across your area where many projects are delayed. There's a cost overrun on the project, the quality of the project is not good. So a lot of things you must be hearing, but how to avoid, how to reduce this is what we are going to look. We are going to look at. Effective project management is important, and that starts with defining the objective, defining the scope, defining the goal of the project, right? After that, planning for that goal, taking the step by step actions, implementing it, then making sure that we monitor what we have planned so that we don't get diverted to other side. How do I manage resources? How do I manage challenges? How do I manage risks? This is all about project management. The most important aspect or the most important skill to master the project management is communication. It is said that 90% of the time, project manager has to spend his time on communication, because if there is a gap in the communication, it will have direct impact on the project. It is said 1 out of 5 projects fail because of ineffective communication. So let us deep dive into the key element of project management. When it comes to project management, you have to first start with defining the goals of the project, the success criteria of the project, what is the purpose of the project. Everybody should be aware of what is supposed to be done, what is not supposed to be done to deliver that product or that service as the outcome of the project, right? So that's the essential thing. Then we start planning. Most of the time we give shit to the planning, saying that it takes time. That's a myth. Planning is an important aspect because it keeps you prepared. It doesn't tell you when to do work, it tells you what to do, how to do, and obviously when to do. So planning has to have a greater role in project management. Every resource who is involved in the project must be aware and clear about the roles and responsibility so that there is no gap, there is no confusion. So that's another important aspect. During execution, we actually execute the plan. So we need to see, and we might face challenges during the execution. How do we manage those challenges? You might face a lot of risk. How do you manage risk? And there could be positive risk, there could be negative risk, but you need to manage the risk so that it doesn't affect your project plan, right? But how do I see that whether I am on right path or I have deviated? And for that, monitoring and controlling plays a very, very important role to detect any deviation from our plan. And that's a very important aspect, because once I know I have diverted, then I can take action. It is said if you don't measure, you can't do anything about it, right? So this is an important aspect again of, or this is the important aspect of project management. As I said, the most important skill is communication. A lot of stakeholders, a lot of human beings are involved in managing projects. So if the communication is poor, it will have direct impact on project management. It will have direct impact on your project success. So communication is a very, very important part of project management. That skill everybody must be able to achieve. It's not talking good, it's delivering the right communication to the right person at right time. It is not necessary that you go on talking everywhere. You have to talk to the right person at right time, because each stakeholder is different. His requirement of communication is different. Yeah, his detailing will be different. His frequency of requirement of communication will be different. So you need to manage these important aspect. In summary, project management is critical for any person, and people who are already in part of project management. It's the nation building stream, so we must be first proud of what we are doing, and we must be mastering this. Every day is a new day for project manager. We should be alive, we should be learning, right? And three important things which I said is obviously planning, executing the plan, and monitoring the activities, whether we are on track or on not track. Three important aspects of project management, and the major pillar is communication. Thank you for watching my video. I request to subscribe my channel. I request you to give comments, give your own comments about project management. Start putting into the comment box so that and give your valuable inputs, give your learning, so that everybody, the community, learns along with you, right? Because it is important to learn, because when we stop learning, we start dying. Thank you so much for watching my video.